Hey good people, James here. Thank you so much for subscribing, and hit that bell so we can continue to reach out and show up in your inbox, as it were. So I'm looking at a couple of leaning trees today, and I see a lot of trees leaning for a number of reasons. Primarily, as a tree grows, if it has a prevailing wind, that geotropism, the tree adapts. The tree forms a root system that compensates for that lean. And it's nothing to get too concerned about. The other reason is phototropism, which is leaning because it's trying to get to the light. It wants to get to the light because of photosynthesis. And so you'll get a lean on a tree that is simply trying to get in a better position to get more light into the canopy. Now, if you suddenly have a lean in a tree, if a tree hasn't developed a system that it has endured, as it were, its entire life, and suddenly it's leaning, then there's some concern that some kind of impact has happened to the tree, whether there's been some trenching through a root system, whether there's been a significant wind event that has caused the tree to lean. And it's at that time that you really need good consultation from an educated, qualified arborist to ascertain the safety of that tree and whether or not it needs to be removed. So it's always a good idea, whether it's grown this way or whether it's a new event, to seek out a good consulting arborist and find out just exactly the health of the tree and if indeed it has become a hazard. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the garden.